I've talked to dozens of property and facility managers. I've inspected hundreds of buildings, and I keep seeing the same costly mistake. A $20,000 repair that could have been prevented with the simple $2,000 painting refresh. And in this video, I'm gonna break down that mistake and show you how a paint lifecycle audit, a super simple tracking system, can save you a fortune. You're juggling budgets, tenants, emergencies, and paint often gets pushed back to the back burner. I get it, but neglected paint isn't just an eyesore. That little crack is an open invitation to moisture, mold, rot, turning a small cosmetic issue into a structural headache. And this leads to complaints, unhappy tenants, and those surprise repair bills that blow up your budget. But let's get specific. A full interior repaint on a commercial space, you're looking anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 easily. But that's not the real cost. I mean, think about it. How about tenant turnovers? Those vacancies add up fast. Loss of reputation, a shabby building reflects on your management. But what about the time wasted dealing with complaints and contractors? So what's the solution? A paint lifecycle audit. It's not complicated. It's a system to track your paint's condition, predict when it needs attention, and budget proactively. And even experts like Sherwin-Williams emphasizes this. Their commercial facility guide specifications recommends things like touch-ups on wood surfaces, high traffic areas, every 1 to 2 years, just to maintain its durability and appearance, especially in those common areas. Putting a paint lifecycle audit in place will help you become your hero for your building's owners and the tenants. It'll help you with a number of things, like budget control. No surprise repaints, you're in control. How about tenant retention? Happy tenants renew their leases, period. Asset protection. You're preserving the building's value. And lastly is enhanced reputation. It sounds great. You're the manager who prevents the problems. But speaking of proactive manager, from what I've learned, what I saw, there are two paths in facility management. Those who react and those who proactively manage their assets and their careers. A paint's life cycle audit is a step towards the second path. But you want to learn more? Here's my awkward face. Check out my website and sign up at my newsletter. It's the best one out there. But no, really, it is a pretty cool, awesome newsletter. Check it out, sign up. I give away a ton of free stuff like this paint lifecycle audit checklist. Give that totally away free. Just got to sign up for my newsletter. Also, in the comments, I'm going to be adding that Sherwin-Williams commercial facility specification guide, just so you can check it out on your own. Anyways, I hope this helps you. Drop any questions you might have. Have a good day.